reactions as Sanwo-Olu make another decision on the imposed curfew in Lagos State. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu has taken new decision on easing the imposed 24 days curfew. He said that the 24 days curfew imposed on the state to curtail the arson and widespread violence that has ravaged the state might be eased by Friday or Saturday. The number on citizens in Lagos confirmed that the decision to ease this curfew is for people in Lagos to be restored and supply foods and other essential commodities. Once we see the streets are cleared up and all the agitations and ice nerves have gone down, we might slow down the curfew by tomorrow, Friday, or next tomorrow on Saturday, at least, he said on Thursday morning. Here are reactions from people on social media after he made his decision. Adekunle Adetimileyin said that before you do anything, please engage the protesters one-on-one and be part of their strategies to make sure that the criminals are infiltrated, or to make sure that the criminals are caught and not allowed to be part of the protest any longer. And whoever is responsible for sponsoring these thugs to attack the protesters should be seriously dealt with. Ajidema also said that Soro Sokowere, if you like, ease the curfew. Men go dey street, they observe your matter. Made by Scar says that thanks, let's just have positive vibes all the way. Government should just try and communicate lovely and peaceful with our youth. Try to make amends somehow. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Buhari, Prof. Osibajo, this is where your father's spirit is needed and creativity. Lillian said that continue with the curfew after you all kill those innocent souls. If you ease the lockdown, it will bring them back to live too. Winifred said that why isn't the lockdown? Why isn't this curfew? Are the escaped prisoners from Edo going to come in from your states? Adewale also said, if you like yourself or you like this because we know even they obey your directives again because you don't fuck up. Abi Tinubu don't call you from London. Another person says that then we eat out on Friday again. Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. Viewers, you have heard what the governor of Lagos State has just said concerning the imposed curfew, the 24 days imposed curfew on Lagos State, and the reactions of Nigerian citizens on Twitter. Immediately we heard that Sanwo-Olu has changed his mind concerning this. But come to think of it, do you think it's necessary for Sanwo-Olu should make the decision by putting a stop to this curfew? It's not necessary. Even if he put a stop or not, the protesters are still coming out to protest against these people, these criminals. These criminals must be put to book. They must stop their activities. The ban that has been imposed on these so-called criminals, SACs and police, that have been collecting bribes from innocent citizens, molesting them, beating them if they refuse to give money to them, should continue to protest. They will continue to protest because they want a solution. They want their demands to be granted. But if their demands refuse to be granted, then they will never give up. So ending this curfew is not the way forward. Will not even put a stop to this protest. The citizens have decided to keep protesting and nobody can stop them until it's been announced that, okay, we have heard your cry. Now, the protest, the SARS should be dealt with. The SARS should be banned, finally, from this country, and police brutality must stop. Without that, sorry, Nigerian citizens will never give up. They will never give up. Look at what happened in South Africa. The Nigerians in South Africa, they are also protesting against this police brutality because they are supporting their country. Despite the fact that they are not in Nigeria, but they are supporting, encouraging Nigerians in Nigeria, Nigerian citizens in Nigeria to continue protesting, that they are also there in South Africa, that they will also protest until the government, until President Muhammadu Buhari says yes to their demands. You can also see what happened in US, where President Muhammadu Buhari ran to. Do you know that early this morning they saw a sacrifice at the front of the Nigerian house in US? Imagine that. And the police people came around, and when they saw the sacrifice, they were so confused. They were so confused, and they're asking President Muhammadu Buhari to go back to his state and to his country. This sacrifice, I'm very much sure it was dropped there because Buhari ran away from his country to other country because he doesn't want to listen to what the demands of Nigerian citizens. But I know that with this sacrifice, God will definitely push him down here to Nigeria. Even if he's not coming to the country anymore, at least let him give the cabals, let him give his aides, go ahead to put a stop to this. When he was sick then, was it not Osibajo that was giving order? When what they call it, when the border was locked, was it not Osibajo that gave order for the border to be reopened? So Osibajo can do that. So it's not necessary. President Muhammadu Buhari should come back to the country before accepting or granting Nigerian citizens their requests concerning this end process of SARS and police. So viewers, you have heard it all. You have heard it all from the writer concerning this news that you just heard. And you have heard what Sanwo-Olu has just decided, the decision he made concerning the imposed curfew in Lagos State. What is your take on this? Your comment concerning this news will be much appreciated. Please don't hesitate to drop them below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get more updates whenever I publish any new videos. And please don't forget to like and also click on the like button and also share this news. Sorry to say. Thank you. As you do, have a wonderful day. Bye.